Hello, everyone. This is Johnny Allen, Peyton Hulyo, and me, John Duttenhofer, and we'll be talking to you about our portion of the project, energy usage in the household. So we all know from the coronavirus outbreak that we've had a lot of change into now staying at home. Over 50% of the workforce is now able to work from home, and that means there's not a whole lot of energy consumption out in the field. So that begs the question, well, what is the energy consumption before coronavirus, and then now has it changed after?
So prior to coronavirus occurring, there were three states that truly led the country in energy consumption, beginning with Louisiana, who averaged 1,240 kilowatt hours per month, Tennessee, who averaged 1,238 kilowatt hours per month, and Alabama, who averaged 1,214 kilowatt hours per month. The states with the lowest average energy consumption per household pre-coronavirus are Hawaii with 505 kilowatt hours per month, Maine with 546 kilowatt hours per month, and California with 547 kilowatt hours per month.
The United States uses 100 quadrillion BTUs of energy per year. It's a very highly industrialized country, with industrial being 35% of that usage, commercial being 12%, and the residential one being 16%, and transportation being 37%.
So since COVID-19 has affected us, we can see a decent amount of power consumption down. So the overall power consumption down is 2% in New York and between 2.5 and 7% in California. 15 other states and one in Canada has logged 18% drop in the demand. So this is pretty significant.
Home energy use is up by 30% in the middle of the day. A lot of the population is working from home, and a lot of schools and businesses are closed. Therefore, people are using their home electronics substantially more. The most amount of energy use that we see during the day is around lunchtime, when people are cooking and just consuming more power.
The coronavirus outbreak has made a shift from the bulk of energy consumption from businesses to individual households. An estimated 56% of workers are now operating from their homes. This change in who needs more reliable energy has shed light on the idea of microgrids being adopted more nationwide. A microgrid is a group of interconnected loads and distributed energy resources with clearly defined electrical boundaries that act as single individual entities with respect to the grid. This will become more prominent after COVID-19 because it is estimated that people working from home will increase from 3.6% to upwards of 30% in the next 2 years.
So just another graph to reiterate that residential households will have increased by around 6 or 8%, and then demand for other facilities, say educational and commercial businesses, has a decrease around 25 or 30%.
So there are various ways to reduce household energy usage after COVID-19 and also now during the COVID-19 quarantine. For your bathroom, you can turn off your exhaust fan after using the shower or the toilet. You can set your water heater to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. You can turn off your water heater at the end of the day to reduce the power and heat loss of your water heater. And also, in general, you could just take cold showers. With the kitchen, you could clean your refrigerator coils to keep it running at high efficiency. You could turn off your dishwasher's dry cycle to let the dishes air dry rather than using energy in the dishwasher. And you could wash fruits and vegetables in a pan of water rather than a running tap to reduce water waste.
So what has our group concluded from all of the information we've researched? Well, we've concluded that most likely after the COVID outbreak has subsided, people are going to go back to being in their businesses and energy usage is going to go back up. Well, if we want to keep that down, we're going to have some type of availability for people to work from home, or even a mandatory day where we work from home, say such as Friday. For each home, what we can do is apply those tips that Peyton previously stated and that should, in the home, reduce your energy consumption.
Here are our sources where we did all of our research, and that is our site. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.